Here's a simple and delicious coconut chutney recipe that you can try. I'm going to put everything in the description, ingredients and all. So the ingredients, 1 cup of grated fresh coconut, 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal or peanuts, 1 to 2 green chilies, adjust to taste, 1 small piece of ginger, salt to taste, and water as needed. For tempering, 1 teaspoon of oil, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a few curry leaves. Now the instructions. Number 1, blend the chutney. In a blender, combine the grated coconut, roasted chana dal, green chilies, ginger, and salt. Add a little water and blend until smooth. You can adjust the water for your desired consistency. Okay? Number 2, prepare the tempering. In a small pan, heat the oil over medium heat. Add the mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then add the curry leaves and sauté for a few seconds. Number 3, combine. Pour the tempering over the blended chutney and mix well. Number 4 is to serve it. Enjoy your coconut chutney with idli, dosa, and other spreads. I'll put everything in the description. This is very flavorful. It adds a delightful touch to many dishes. Check out the description, everything I just said, it's all there.